Hi guys, it's me Lee and welcome back to another video. Today, in this particular video, we are going to make some a bow hair clip, and this is some glitter foam. My friend, I think she got these A5 sheets from Poundland or Pound World. It was a pound shop anyway, one of them, and you get 10 sheets, so you get 2 of each colour, and you get blue, you get pink, you get green, you get purple, and you get this silvery colour. So you need, hang on. Okay, so for every 2 sheets of this A5, you can make 2 biggish ones, and 1 small one. So basically, what you do is you flip it over, and you take your template. I'm going to just show you using this. So you take your template and you place it up, unless you're not bothered about trying to, conserve and, make it so you can try and get the most out of it. And then what you do, I have a paper template. If I do have it, I will try and figure out how to put it in the description box below or something. If not, I will put it on my Facebook page so that it can be downloaded from there. But I'm showing you because I've already pre-cut. So what you're going to do is you're going to draw around your template, and then you'll have 4 pieces. In fact, yeah, so you'll have 4 pieces. Let me move this out of the way. So you'll have a big one, whatever shape this is, like a bow tie, and then you will have a smaller one, and then you'll have one of these. So you have 4 pieces. So that's how it comes. So you'll need those 4 pieces. You will also need a felt circle. I have 1-inch circles. I think that's how big these are anyway. So it's a felt backed circle. Oh. And of course a crocodile clip if you're going to be putting this into a hair clip. I remember when I first learned how to make these, I made like a little red one at Christmas, and my son wore it as a little bow tie. This is the crocodile clip. I do have bigger, so if you make the bigger ones, you could always get the bigger crocodile clips. I will have a look if I can find like a cheap bundle of these. Sometimes you can get them really cheap for the bundle on eBay. And I'm just showing you how I personally make this thing, not telling you this is the right way, this is the wrong way. I'm just saying this is how I make it, not everybody else. People might make it a different way, I don't really know. I'm making these on my son's homemade group. I'm showing the kids how to make these, and I've got a bunch cut up ready for them. So to start off with, I leave this piece till last because this is the bit that makes it cute and what the clip and this goes on to. So on this one, this piece here, I usually when I'm doing that on this kind of bow, I will snip a small piece off either side. And that is just so that when I put the glue gun, because I put this, oh, these nails are a bit long. I put this in here so that when it goes on a kid's hair, it protects their hair from the claws. You know, these jaggedy bits here. That way the kid's hair has a bit of protection from that. You don't have to do that obviously, but I prefer to do it like that because I'd rather protect the little one's hair, because it's usually people that's got little children that do this. So I'm just going to move these pieces out of the way. At the minute I'm just waiting for my glue gun. Yeah, I have this glue gun. This came with, I think it was an EU or AU plug, so my dad made it into a UK plug. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to flip it over to the non-sparkly side, because I've got glitter ones. You're going to pop a bit of glue on, fold it over to the middle, just hold it there a minute for the glue to set and dry out. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And then you do the same on the other side. And boom, and that's one bit. You do the same on this piece, the littler piece, smaller piece, sorry. Sometimes these pieces do overlap. It's not as easy to get this exact as you'd like. I do try sometimes. Sometimes you can just snip a bit off, if that's the case, but it depends where you put the glue as well. But yeah, this one's overlapped as well. Ow. So, and then you'll get, well, it doesn't matter if it overlaps, because you'll get this piece, and then you'll get this piece, and then you'll put a blob of glue in the middle, and then you'll pop it in the middle, and then hold it in place. And just be careful and make sure you tidy up any stringy bits, like that. So that's what it looks like so far. And then you will get your other piece here. I'm getting my nails stuck and glued together now. And then you'll put another blob in the middle. These are really cute, and people tend to buy them if they're glittery, which makes a lot of sense because glitter is sparkly. So you try and line it up nicely. Well, I do anyway. Just makes it look more aesthetically pleasing if it's level and as best as you can. So, oh god, I've got glue. Right, get it off. Yeah. So that's what it looks like at the minute. So this last piece just makes it have like these pieces. Do you know when you put it down, you can see these cute little point things, right? And then you've got your final piece of the glittery bit anyway, which is this. So I personally just stick a bit on the end, flip it over, pop it on, try and give it a bit, at least a bit there, you know, like so it's got about the same amount gap on the other side. And then you wrap this around, and I think I might have cut this one a wee bit long, so let me just get my scissors and snip a smidgy bit off. Easy peasy. Sometimes when you get the templates, this piece here is a wee bit too small, so you have to pull it. So, and then you just pop a bit more glue on. And then you put it on. And just hold it in place so it doesn't come out or move, because obviously hot glue is still slippy and you don't want it doing anything daft and coming apart and stuff like that. And then the final piece is, there's two ways you can do it. You can either glue the metal thing down first and then open it up and slide the black thing in, or you can, you know, and then slide. So you put that on and then slide that in and glue the edges down. I'm not doing it that way. I am going to just slide a bit on there first in the middle, which is for the metal bit, because it's a lot fiddly to get the clip on afterwards with this thing in here afterwards. Now I would be careful because when you are putting hot glue down and touching this, it is metal. Please don't forget that. So that's that stuck on. So now all you have to do is either side add a bit of glue for your foam, your felt disc. Basically, you just want to hold it down so it looks tidy and neat and doesn't fling off when they open the clip. Do the same on the other side. And if you've got nails, then you can just use your fingernails to hold it down and make it thingy, because then you're not getting burnt. Okay, let me just turn that off. Safety and all that. And there you go. This is the bow, and this is the back. So you can just go around, you know, pulling all the gluey bits that might be flaying around, and then it's just a case of open it and you slide it in the hair, and there it is. And this is a really cute bow. You can get A4 sheets, and you can probably make 2 big ones and 1 small one, I think, but definitely 2 big ones on 1 sheet of A4 foam paper. You can use this in plain, you can use this in the animal print one. If you look on eBay, I think you can get the plain kind, the animal print kind, and one that's got like hearts and stars and zigzags and stuff on it as well. 10 sheets of that, but personally I found that the glitter ones sell better. When I've made these in the past, the glitter ones were all the ones to go. And if you have nicer colours, most people tend not to like green, except from maybe at Christmas. But yeah, but like pinks and purples and whites and blacks tend to sell, and sometimes other colours, but more specifically them. And obviously blue, because everybody likes blue as well. But yeah, there you go guys. Thanks for watching guys, and if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Yeah, and I will see you soon. Don't forget that I have a pop socket giveaway at 150 subscribers, so we're just over halfway, I think, give or take, and hopefully that will be soon enough so I can give them away to you. So that's for 2 winners though. Thanks for watching. Bye.